We've always had scooters and everything, but the UBCO bike, it looked real strong. It's been used on farms before, so I thought, well, if they can use it on a farm, we should be able to use it in our stores. Funnily enough, I was on a Air New Zealand flight down to Wellington and saw it in the online magazine. Saw the bike, looked pretty cool, thought I'd have a bit of a read of it, and I reckon by the time I got to the end of the article I was like, oh wow, that could have something to do in our business. The first time I went down and spoke to the guys, like just hearing their passion for the bike and looking into the future as opposed to just what it is now, and that correlates well with Domino's. So we have a passion for trying to be ahead of the game and looking for where things are going to be in 10 years and making sure we're ahead of it to get there. Safety is a big important part for us, and we love data as well. So the fact that we can put the telemetrics into the bikes and then see exactly what is happening with it, and then we can fix it moving forward. The more data we have, the safer we can make it for our employees as well. Riding it like a normal bike feels a lot safer than a scooter where your feet are in front. It just feels odd. One of the other benefits of an electric bike is there's less moving engine parts to break down. Petrol scooters would spend more time in the shop getting repaired than they would actually delivering pizzas, and there's no point having a delivery vehicle if it's not there. Just being a responsible neighbour, the difference between an electric scooter taking off at night time and a 50cc scooter taking off at night times is amazing in that one. The rental agreement we've come up with UBCO is just a simple one cost for the week that incorporates everything into it. Incorporates the servicing, the upfront cost, the cost of the battery and everything. The benefit of the battery subscription with UBCO is that you pay a weekly fee every week and you can swap it out whenever it needs to be swapped out. That gives you peace of mind as a business owner. I'm not a motorbike rider and I jumped on and I could ride it straight away as well. Our guys love them. Even in stores that have a petrol scooter and an UBCO, they jump on the UBCO straight away because they're actually fun to ride. We are an international brand, but we are a local business as well, and all of our store owners are local owners as well. So to be able to support local businesses is a top priority for us.